Okay, we've got a stuffed bonnet here, Simon. Tell us about it.
Well, we have the result of cleaning a bonnet with the wrong cleaner. The cleaner became a clear coat stripper. It's from a Toyota Corona, and Corona means crown, so Google told me. Ooh, do that now. So this is our stripper, the Cooper stripper. At first glance I thought it's just steel. Might be, who knows. I haven't tested this at all, so we're just going on blind faith. So Coopers will take off any paint or varnish. So when you're cleaning your car, make sure you use appropriate cleaning materials.
Keep away from the kitchen cupboard.
Yeah. The owners are looking on with fear.
That's what modern paints do. Surprising how much paint there is.
How's that looking on?
Looking good.
So this is a medium density brass brush.
Good for the curvy bits too, huh?
Put some plastic down on the ground to catch everything. Modern paint is no challenge at all.
What year is this car?
This is 1995. Ooh. So what are other things about this? One is that being that it's a cold system, and it's not using sanding friction or blasting friction to create heat. There's going to be no damage to the panel, no warpage. And that there should just chomp off. So this is our flusher, a clean, fresh pad and rag. And what we're going to do here is remove the residues. Residues of paint, residues of stripper. And we're at a second-hand store down the other end, so you're hearing all the people coming and going. This just fully exposes the next step. There's lots of little rust dots here that may have been where chips of rock have hit and repairs have been done and corrosion started.
48 degrees there.
Wow. Well, we're all done. Masking's off. Nothing else damaged. In the real world, if you were just doing a bonnet, you'd probably unscrew it and take it off and do it, so no other risk, but we like to go out on the edge. So yeah, it's come up really, really well.
One thing, Simon, how much product would this car need?
Oh, this is sort of like a 5-litre car. It's not a big car for the outer skin. Less now. See you next time.
Till then.